Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to assemble one of our circular table bases. Now you should have received two boxes. The first one would have had a top plate, a base plate and a bag of screws with an Allen key and some instructions. Now those screws are to attach your tabletop, but only if you bought a Wormeden or an isotop tabletop. If you bought a compact laminate or a melamine tabletop, you would have been provided with bolts separately, so please don't use the screws, use the bolts on the compact laminate and the melamine tabletops. The second box would have had your pole, and your pole has 3 bolts in the bottom, 2 bolts in the top, the 2 bolts attached to the top plate, 3 bolts attached to the base plate. Now I'm not going to use the hand Allen key, I'm going to use a drill, it's just a little bit faster. So we take these bolts out, and first we're going to attach the top plate. Now the top plate has 4 holes. The horizontal ones are A and B and the diagonal ones are C and D. For the circular table base, it doesn't really matter which 2 you use because you're not lining it up, it's round. So today we'll just use A and B for the top. Just line that up with the holes in the pole and then put your bolts back in. Now don't put your bolts all the way in so that you can still get a little bit of movement to line up your other hole. And then once both bolts are in, you can come along and tighten them up. And then just give them an extra tighten with the hand Allen key, just to make sure you don't get any wobbles in your table base. Now we'll take out these bottom 3 screws. Okay. Now your base plate has 2 sides. This is the top, this is the bottom. Obviously the bottom has the feet. So you want the feet up, and then you want to line up these holes with the 3 holes in the pole. Just like that. Then grab your 3 bolts, and again, just put them in halfway until you've got them all in. You don't want to tighten them and then you can't move your plate. Then you can come back and tighten them up. And again, once you finish with your drill, just give them that extra tighten with the hand Allen key. And there you have it. That's how you build our circular table base. Please watch our other videos so you can watch how to attach your tabletop. Thank you for watching.